Welcome to my channel. I'm Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make tomato rice. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. First, put ghee or oil and add 3 eggs. Let it sit for 6 to 7 seconds and then scramble it and cook it on low heat. Keep scraping it from the sides as you cook. Once it is dried and cooked properly, put it aside. If you want, you can skip the eggs as well and directly put oil, ginger garlic paste, cumin and mix it. Now add chopped ginger, curry leaves and mix. Then we add chopped onions and saute it till it is golden brown. Now add chopped tomato and mix it. Then we add the masalas. Put red chilli powder, coriander powder, salt and Maggi magic masala, which is optional. Mix it all and keep it aside in a bowl. Now we'll fry the leftover rice. Just add cold cooked rice in a pan and keep stirring it on high flame. After 8 to 9 minutes of frying, add the veggies and the eggs and mix it. Put it in a bowl or a plate and serve it hot. Voila! South Indian style tomato rice is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.